Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, and welcome back with me. In this video, I'm going to make a simple fried rice. So for the ingredients, I'm using as simple as possible because there's the coronavirus going on. And for those of you who haven't gone shopping to get a new recipes, then this tutorial is good for you because it's so simple. I'm using one piece of egg, this is optional, and 2 onions, and also as usual oregano leaves, and don't forget the rice. Now go to the cooking. For the cooking part, the first thing you need to do is pour the oil for about 1 eating spoon and then heat it up. After you feel like it's hot enough, you can start putting in your chopped onions. And you wait until the smell is getting better. Next step is to pour the egg. You can do this 2 ways. The first way is you put it in a bowl and then you mix the white with the yellow one, and the second one is you put the egg instantly. Now in this video I'm going to use the second method. The next part is put in the rice. And when you think it's done, you can start putting them into the plate. And your fried rice is ready to be served. Smells good already.